Most faceless videos have the same problem. They don't feel human. But cinema has been telling stories without showing faces for decades. So maybe the problem isn't being faceless. Maybe it's the lack of cinematic storytelling. Most tutorials teach you this: stock footage, AI voice, fast subtitles, done. But faceless doesn't mean emotionless. The best cinematic videos use atmosphere, rhythm, sound, and visual storytelling. Don't explain everything with narration. Good visuals create emotion without needing constant explanation. Color grading isn't just aesthetic. It changes how a scene feels. Cold tones feel distant. Warm tones feel intimate. Green can feel alive or unsettling. Sound is probably the most underrated part of faceless content. Ambient sound makes videos feel alive, real, cinematic. Not every second needs a cut. Fast editing grabs attention, but rhythm creates feeling. Sometimes a pause says more than constant movement. And for narration, I usually generate my voiceovers using AI text speak. The important thing isn't just using AI, it's making the voice feel natural and emotionally controlled. You can choose from a long list of voice options. See which adapts better to your video. Let's build a simple cinematic faceless scene. First, atmospheric footage, then color grading, then ambient sound. Finally, minimal narration. Faceless content was never about hiding yourself. It was about learning how to tell stories differently, through sound, atmosphere, rhythm, emotion, just like cinema always has. Subscribe if you want more videos about cinematic editing, visual storytelling, and faceless filmmaking.